butter containers I got from the Dollar Tree. I heard that these are hard to find, but they're in there for $1.25. So I picked up a couple, and you might have seen these on there before. And butter. So I googled this image, butter image from off of Google, and you got it on there. So I just traced it and put it into my system and cut it out on my Cameo. So you see these all the time on Etsy, and people are selling them for $15, $17, but you can make it yourself. So this is $1.25, and this is a piece of scrap vinyl that I had in my stockpile, and cut it out on my Cameo already. Got the transfer tape on there already. So before I lay it down, I want to show you, for all the newbies that's on my channel, I like to be a little bit detailed so you could get the idea of what you need to do. So on the measuring tape, you just measure the area that you want it, and you do the width, and then you do the height, and that's what I did. So this is the size that I used on this vinyl. So I peeled it off of the back end. So this is my transfer sheet, and I told you before in my previous videos that I always get my transfer vinyl from off of Amazon. So I just lay it down where I would like it. Like this, and I just rub it. This is a little off-centered, but it's okay. This is for me. So if it don't stick, you just keep laying it back down and pulling it back up like that. So like this. I just rub my hands over it. And if you're still not satisfied with it looking like this, you just run a little bit of heat over it with like a heat gun, a blow dryer or something like that, and just press on it, and it will stick a little bit better. But this is going to get washed and in my refrigerator. So butter, and I made it myself for about $1.50. That's $1.25 for this, and it was probably a quarter piece of vinyl. So $1.50, and people are selling this on Etsy for $15, and I seen it on there for $16.75 and higher. But you can do it for yourself. Thank you for watching.